Right back at you. Boy, DIY Trucker J. Got something to do. I gotta install this big solar. Make sure y'all like and share. Subscribe to the channel. I have to put this in that corner, that notch. Alright, so the old one broke off. So I gotta put it here and I have to go here. So, alright, so we can set the camera here. Like I said, I gotta reach that piece over there. See if we can set this up real quick. Alright, so what I have to do, I have to reach it from here to here. See if we can get it real quick. Alright, so this is how it's gonna work. See the piece here? It's the same thing as that over there. So I have to pull it from here to here. See if we can get it today. I would rather do it now before this week comes. That's better break. Break off, still on it. Yeah, I know I'm always doing something, but make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel. You know, I had to hurry up, get out here, throw something on so I can fix this. The part number to this, you got a Kenworth W900. 1999. The part number is HS7102. Alright? Hard to do, but I get on. Or maintaining your truck. Close that. Pull it. See if anybody here to lift the hood up. Gotta be like, you just gotta get creative out here. So I ain't gotta kill myself, alright? So what we gonna do, we gotta grab one of these right here. So I'll grab this with that stick and put it under that. So let me grab my gloves real quick. Alright, so under here, so grab a stick. As long as I can lift the hood up. Put this under here. See, I ain't got no help right now. So you got to think when you're out here by yourself. You know, always look for help. I hope that gives me a little more room. What I need. Yeah, it should have gave me some room. Yeah, it should have gave me some room. Let's get it shot now. Alright?
Stop real quick. Get my gloves real quick. Gotta get the So we gotta get that piece under there. Alright, so hope that don't go. Let's give it a shot now. I gotta get that piece on here. Let's give it a shot. See what happens. Gloves are trying to catch my hands. Quick little job.
Gosh. Yeah, it came off. I gotta get a little further up. Woo.
Get off real quick. Excuse me, one second.
All right, YouTube, that's how you install one of your springs. That one I replaced a couple months ago, that one today. All right, is this. Now you see this right here? That right there is a TRP part, right? TRP. Part number HS7102, right? This cost me $28. The original KW, $248. Just for that spring, for TRP, it's $28. But if you get the original part from KW, you're gonna end up spending $248. So we ain't trying to spend that. Ain't nobody going to the hood looking at them things. They made by the same people. All right, same company makes that. That's it. So let me get out of here in this video. Just want to check my antifreeze real quick. Make sure. Should be looking a little bit there. All right, we good. Ain't nothing there. Get out of there. But make sure you check that with some gloves. But I didn't have to wear no gloves because I never started the truck. So all right, that's about it. Make sure you tighten that up. Wipe that off real quick. That's it. We out of here. Peace. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all share these videos to all your social media page. It's your boy J Quillo Talk Live. Your boy DIY Trucker. We out of here. Peace.